Hello, my name's Chris Bailey. I'm the subject leader for film and screen art at Plymouth College of Art. Absolutely passionate about working with students and helping them to be able to succeed in the industry and having the skills, both practical and transferable skills, to be able to do that. As part of my own practice, I also write and make music. I'm part of an organisation called Imperfect Orchestra. We write and perform live soundtracks for artist film and contemporary art events. I also have a practice where I kind of work with archive material. We often see nowadays how news footage and news bites are kind of reshaped into kind of political and ideological tools. That's something that I've kind of spent some time working with over the past few years. In my professional practice, I have worked across commercial and corporate documentary, as well as music videos, producing kind of advertising material for companies. We want to give you the creative freedom to make the work that you want to make, with the support from our incredible arts-focused, academic and technical teaching team.
My name is Dom Dean. I am a lecturer in sound and production at Plymouth College of Art. So I teach a lot of the importance of sound to film students. I also work with students on their professional practice modules, and I also support their academic writing during contextual and the dissertation writing as well. So aside from my college commitments, I have had previous experience working for several different media companies as a web designer. I built quite a few different websites and designed lots of different digital content for different providers. And aside from that, I've also been a musician for the last 15 years, recording and playing live. And that experience has helped me to feed back into my film practice as well. I've worked on several film soundtracks, and those films have been played at various film festivals as well. I'm also a researcher, so I'm actually a PhD candidate at the University of Manchester School of Social Science, where I'm currently working on a PhD about local live music up in Leeds. I'm looking specifically at the social and cultural impacts of local live music making. I've also had the opportunity to present my research at several conferences around the country, as well as in Europe and in Australia.
Hi, I'm Andrew James, Senior Lecturer on Film and Screen Arts. I'm a designer, artist, filmmaker and performer who just can't give up working on all these different strands of productions. So filmmaking for me has been great at bringing all my interests together. When I'm not working with students supporting their projects, I'm involved in experimental films, right through to commercials, which has taken me as far afield as Costa Rica to work on an Oakley television commercial, directing octocopters to fly out through the surf and film surfers. Art direction and production design are central to my practice, especially in my 20 years based up in London. So it's really rewarding to see students take to this and even win awards for their work. I love working with students to see what there is to bring out in them. It's fascinating to see them uncover what they really enjoy and where they have the most to contribute, and particularly what it is they want to pursue in life. Here we deliberately set up the spaces and opportunity for you to work across disciplines and collaborate, and also work with external professionals. So I'm kind of in my element here.
Hi folks, my name's Neil Kirk and I'm a lecturer in the Film and Screen Arts program at Plymouth College of Art. I come from a research-focused background with specialisms in literature, media, and cultural studies. The current research project I'm working on is about exploring chat communities on live streaming platforms. I'm also a massive horror fan, and I'm interested in glitch aesthetics in contemporary horror. I was also practically raised on a set and have over 20 years of practical experience on film sets and in the media industry. The best part of that has got to be Breaking Bad. It was awesome. It was an awesome opportunity, and I've got loads of stories. ask me about them sometime. I teach the first year interdisciplinary film studies. I also teach second year negotiated project and third year research and experimentation. And the best part of teaching those modules is that I get to work with you all and find the heart of your project and help you actualize it. And I'm really looking forward to working with you and meeting you and cracking on to some of those awesome projects and stuff that you're into. This is going to be awesome.